Hello, today is Thursday, September 24th, and this is the Sphinx Forex review for today. Let's get the house cleaning out the way. Twitter.com/Sphinx Forex. The blog.sphinxforex.com, and you'll be able to get to us from there. And let's get to the charts. I'm not feeling too well today, so I'm going to make this pretty quick. Start with the euro. I think if you recall yesterday, I mentioned about the short. Looked like the bias was going short again, and that's pretty much what we had today. Here's where Europe came in. London session opened. We didn't get any kind of trade. A little bit of back and forth. MACD, even though you had a new high, the MACD was to the low side, so that was not a trade. Your first trade would have came here, which was 1 pip above this high. Stop loss 1 pip below here, on an even number. And then this candle would have brought you in, and that's 20 pips per thing. So this candle would have brought you in. You would not have reached a 60 something profit, but you should not have taken a loss on this trade before the reversal happened. And then once the reverse happened, you could have taken the short 1 pip below here, and then your stop loss there. And so this here, actually you'd still be in this trade if you didn't want to get out when you hit your whatever you got to the low of here. You should still be in this trade by rule, but I typically when a session comes to the end, I'm not trading anymore. The 20 EMA, you can see once price came across it, a pretty big move ensued. This is typically the pattern. Here, see, it came across, nice move to the long side. It didn't have enough momentum, but we had if you look at all red here, it's the 4-hour and hourly, the bias is down. So you can see here, every time it crossed the 20 to go long, it didn't hold. Then when it came down, which all the pressure we could see was red, which is down. You can see when it came across, it just exploded. So this was a nice move to trade here. Let's look at the pound dollar. This was actually the cleaner pair today. If you look from London coming on here, MACD just really wasn't doing much. Not a lot of separation between the two. Price came across 20 EMA, and then it just nosedived. Your first trade would have been a new low off of here, 1 pip below. Yeah, high stop loss would be 1 pip above this high on an even odd number. And then this candle would have took you in. Stop wasn't even close to being compromised. You'd have got your profit up in here, and then actually you could still be in this trade if you wanted to ride it out, because once you broke this S3 support, there was no support in sight to stop price from going. So you can see that's where this move was from, there wasn't any support to hold it. So that's the pound dollar for today. Euro yen, I don't remember. I looked at it and that's too short. Down bias. London came on up in here. You could have had a short either off of this low or this one here. You could have had, let's see, there. Your stop will be 1 pip above this high. And then this candle would have brought you in, and that was a pretty big move. This was an easy 60 pips on this trade here. So, and this thing's still going. You can see a little bit of a retracement. But this is actually a nice pair. Then you had a false breakout to the long side here. And then the bias came back short again. And so you'd have been short one. You can see red, so you were typically going to trade in the direction of the trend. 1 pip below there. This is the limit. The entry. And then this 1 pip above that high is a stop. So you can see this candle brought you in, and you'd have had another winning trade. So that's the euro yen. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.